Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a company looking to shake things up in the prefab industry. It's an exciting time to follow the off-site construction industry as companies around the world attempt to improve housing, a topic that's consistently hotter than whether or not to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Reaching. It's been interesting to watch ideas come to life and products hit the market because every company has a different process, design, and price point. The right option fully depends on what boxes the buyer is trying to check, but the variety is what keeps me coming back for more. There really is something for almost everyone. Right now, the industry has carpenters building fully custom homes indoors, it has robotic assembly lines, and it has pretty much everything in between. Long story short, there is a lot going on and it's been fun to watch. The company I'm talking about today is Vive, with their recent expansion into the single-family home market. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, check out their homes, and tell you how they're different than some of the other options available. Vive is a California-based company building modern prefab homes that not only look cool but come with built-in tech. They recently announced the launch of their single-family home product to offer a comprehensive home building solution to efficiency, labor, and sustainability challenges affecting the industry. What they've come out with has a modern look you know I'm a fan of and will fit in fine in their home state of California. Yet another company that's identified issues with the way homes have been being built, looking to shake things up. The way I see it, the more the merrier. Keep them coming. Their website says they're bringing home building into modern times. Homes have been built the same way for centuries, driven by an industry focused on its own needs instead of the customer. Cost, complexity, and variability have gone up while innovation has fallen behind. You gotta take your hat off to the people out there trying to change an entire industry. And I'm not just talking about Vive. I feel like housing has been a big target for disruption lately and people are getting after it. If you're out there making big important changes all the time, maybe it doesn't seem that impressive to you, but the only thing I'm changing on a regular basis is my Ginch. So tip of the cap to them. For those who haven't heard of Vive, they've been around for a while focusing on multifamily development, but have decided to expand into single-family homes. A couple months ago, they moved into a brand new facility in Hayward, California to coincide with their expansion into single-family homes. The new space will serve as the company's production facility and is projected to build up to 500 homes per year. 500 homes per year. Break that down into homes per day and it gets real at 1.36. It's impressive. A recent press release from Vive said the launch of its single-family product, which combines efficient and sustainable building practices with high quality and adaptive design to create a holistic home building solution with no premium in cost to consumers. Sure, a lot of mumbo jumbo, but I did find it interesting that they mentioned up front that there would be no premium cost to consumers instead of saying there would be cost savings, which may or may not be true depending on where you're watching from. Put it this way, the amount of times I've been lit up in the comments about pricing of a home showcase would make your head spin, but people forget that not every company is trying to be the most affordable option. Looks like Vive is taking the approach of, hey, here's something better at the same price you'd be paying, and let's not forget, if nobody sees value in their proposition, they don't make any sales, so it comes down to what sets them apart from the other options available. Vive is a panelized prefab builder, meaning they prefabricate elements of the home indoors, but they aren't shipping out a finished unit. By doing that, they have more flexibility in design because they don't have to worry about shipping widths since they're putting the prefabricated panels together at site. It's noted in their press release under efficiency that each single-family home can be built in 30 days, complete with full panelized build, installation, and a digital home backbone. Apparently, from what they're saying, Vive's approach is up to 8 times more efficient when compared to traditional construction. 30 days from start to finish is definitely impressive, but keep in mind that doesn't mean if you order a home, you're moving in 30 days later. If they have a backlog, which they likely will, it's 30 days from when they start building a specific unit. They've been working on their system for years now, and the result is something that I think is going to get some attention. They view the wall as the atomic building block of the home. With that in mind, they created a proprietary panelized approach referred to as the closed wall system. It's what powers their efficient, repeatable processes and levels of precision that just aren't possible with traditional construction methods. Some of the advantages they've listed with their closed wall system include efficiency with shorter build times, cost savings with simplified materials and labor, quality with unmatched precision and better quality materials, and finally performance with a longer life cycle. Even though the home doesn't leave their facility fully finished, they do still expect to be able to deliver a far faster build on site. Their closed wall system means every every wall panel is precisely framed, insulated, and outfitted with mechanical engineering, plumbing, fire protection inside their digital fabrication facility. As for the frame of the home, Vive is yet another company building with light gauge steel, a trend I've noticed picking up a lot of steam lately. What's fascinating about their process is the home has a digital blueprint and they know exactly how many parts go into the home down to the screw. A lot of their assembly appears to be automated, so I wonder how many extra parts they keep lying around in case something gets dropped, if any. I don't care how precise the automation is, I'd still feel more comfortable having a couple extras around, like how I packed 4 Ginch for a 3-day weekend. After spending an afternoon checking out what Vive's about from the outside looking in, there are definitely a couple things that stand out to me. The first has already been mentioned, but I think it needs a bit more attention to fully appreciate what they've got going on, and that's the close wall system. What they mean by close wall system is everything is finished when they leave the factory, so nothing has to be wired or installed on site. It arrives on site fully closed and cladded with all electrical, plumbing, and digital home functionality built in. Keep in mind, everything finished at the factory is one less thing that has to be scheduled and finished at the job site. So the closed wall system will dramatically decrease the time it takes to put their panels together when it arrives at a property. Included in the closed wall, another feature that caught my attention was their integrated smart home operating system. What they've done is include a programmable interface that allows whoever is living in the house to operate the lights, shades, fans, and more from wall-mounted interfaces. The homes will improve over time because software updates are sent wirelessly whenever they're released. You know what I want? A smart home system in control of an easy bake oven so I don't either under or overcook almost everything. That's a world I one day want to live in. The Vive system will have in-wall touch panels and an iOS app, so people will be able to see what's going on and make adjustments to their home no matter where they are. Full disclosure, I'm currently not running any smart home system, but imagine something as simple as having the lights turn on right before you get home. That'd be feeling well. There's a lot going on with these homes, and as more information is released and homes are built, definitely something I'll have to revisit. The last feature they've got that I want to touch on is their windows and doors. If you remember back a couple years ago, a person living on planet Earth couldn't make it very many days without hearing about supply chain issues, and items causing issues in housing, among other things, were windows and doors. Vive must have been sick and tired of waiting on others because they started manufacturing their own windows and doors. A tough but valuable lesson for their window and door manufacturer. Before I wrap this thing up, I should note that right now they don't have pricing listed on their website, but if I had to guess, I probably wouldn't hold my breath that they're going to be the most affordable option. That's not what they're trying to be. This is going to be a high-end home that aims to offer more without a price premium, as they mentioned before. They may very well quote each individual build separately, but if they do make standard pricing available on the web, I'll be sure to follow up with another video. Vive has expanded in the prefab space with the launch of their new single-family home. They're taking automation to another level and plan to build a home from start to finish in 30 days, which would be a massive feat of strength and allow them to build up to 500 homes per year. Housing prices in California have been taking a lot of people off lately, so I love seeing another builder enter the space looking to shake things up. The way I see it, the more competition, the better. I think this is going to be a cool process, and I want to see them do a house start to finish in 30 days. So I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.